Jamal issue the way we say managing one. Among ministers in Obia study.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi na we di nkunim biom.
Me nye sure say NDC. Bema Baba Jamal. Ako. Parliament. Baba. Say our Godfather shall say lobby. Because Sheniye Ghana politics no I am microphone tiase. Munim said the Ghana politics in the tier. Because one come my to win. So we are ambassador. Now per se, who call you bibi fufra? As I said, would decline about the deed of the core amane.
Oh, I don't know.
Say, me ye Captain Smart. Me per se, me call ye adie. The dean no abo foreign affairs minister amane. The foreign affairs minister and wakasa no wakacho say train na me more president amane. So why you have disrespected the president? Somebody had disrespected the president. It was a gross disrespect to my president, to your president, to our president. Because then who yenti also call Nigeria. Na koye ambassador. It was a disrespect to the president. Even if you don't want to be an ambassador, respectfully go to the president and resign officially. You don't have to wait for the president to sack you. I think Baba Jamal disrespected the president. That's what I think. I still stand to be corrected. I might be wrong. But the reality of the matter is that if indeed he had a discussion with the president, that letter wouldn't have come out. But his son said, one fair media new buo, Amajo Mahama, Yenye Kojina to Abaman. There's a statement coming from the presidency. Why do you allow yourself for this embarrassment? Baba Jamal is not a mere politician. He's been a member of parliament before. And I think that want to turn in near my so you declare the winner was sitting and crying no one in Shadanje. Okay? The worst of it all is that maybe we scale who me child dear dada. Really. And so you are trying to justify say what child dear. When dada. And to be catch a mission conversation we are saying no pay no. That was NDC for Mama Dream now. And say a nearmano assassin. Said ye your nearmano assassin. It is a true say. We are minister, we are deputy minister, or be contested. The way you can to make what Chenniama. Eh? Why this is our member way, was so bad she bruta. Why you waiting there? Saka president in Lima. Minyashwa Sanka letter we can be because a very reliable information I picked was that the president was seriously furious about this rubbish. President Jabruta. Now watch this. Presidency say or investigate. The presidency is led by John Dramani Mahama or Ghana Company. Presidency party also led by the general secretary of the party and to say we are going to investigate. Party baby Baba Jamal be kwa kan mo ya from majority no. Wo also say yeah annual results no. They say majority say yen twam. Yen kwato no fofo. NDC for na mo supported this rubbish. Munja Jimmy no. Because they say abai where any party or position to say NPP. NDC were power. And until no more president, more chairman, more general secretary. And the man we are talking about, or ambassador, he's called His Excellency. His Excellency, honorable. But don't forget, assemblyman, so you're honorable.
Bibini nipo. Bibini au. Ojai.
So we ambassadors Muntemi, more person be MP 2028 Muntemi. I don't know a high impugned political season. But even that, J Ubo president amane. And I know for time by elections we near be and there be a course through 2004 2008 ambassadors are no more person will be contesting. No, it was a decision by the party leadership through the information of the president that ambassador we back when I didn't see a chimota wait me contest it. I think in Libya or somewhere we'll be to contest it. We'll be to her. We'll be to her. It is say man we say I also for be a press conference say minority no majority ni kwan say so mo from normal allow party no na or investigate it. Let me tell you the constituency level leadership of the NDC you will never be given the opportunity to investigate this. Do you know why? President issue statement. Maybe I'm telling you today. President issue statement. Eti agenda free constituency. Region on to be investigated. Even the regional level. Listen to me carefully. The constituency and the region executives cannot investigate this. Why? It is coming from the president. So is the national leadership and the presidency and the leadership of the majority in parliament. These are the three bodies. And show, sir, Captain Smart, yeah, dear. Not JB because of investigating who is JB at Media General. JB Crime Parliament Crime and I have a casa.
He is smart.
JB wants to investigate me. Investigate me going.
Captain Smart.
Say JB catch up so investigate me. Never ah. Let me say, there's a woman who know, but when Auntie B, Auntie Ama, Mr. Ma, Mr. Niama, I can't stop investigating me, and there's trouble for me.
He is smart. He is unique.
When he said, a letter will come out by midday, say I suspend the elections. NDC. Where he's there, where internal party elections. By midday, let a member say party no annul results. No,
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
What's this? That be when you general elections. This is supervised. So, say it's a corner or supervise. Internal party elections are. It's the only control. And when these elections, only control. And when NPP elections. And this may issue statements on one now results.
Yeah, more 100%.
Say annulia. No investigations in the back. Say you wanna we influence ya. Not say you suspended Baba Jamal. You suspended also I wouldn't mean Prime Minister. It is a suspended one. That wouldn't mean qua. The OD second no. On the beko. And you do baby oh. I am politicians, but let me tell you this. We are politicians, that's our party of power, there's a way to behave. A party of position, there's a way to behave. You don't just do things. Because Ghana for, you do baby, I say, you need that was a president, now you need that. What's that I'm saying? Sam George Aiding.
He is smart.
And I'm moving. Me and a million, some time can't be channel. What's that George ID? What's also good at top review? Try right.
It looks like we are going beyond bounds.
This is the kind of a leader you hear say. John, what the Kwasule Foundation in Mammy, my baby see dynasty. Here, on my penny, I want bar where they are fit on Bobby in the Fourth Republic. It means that. Mahama has what do 1 year. What is what come up here? Say you on the parliament. Emma parliament agye to mo me kan kire. Afenyo Markins. Na no te sama no ko abeka na dada. Hooray! Sa ban na bobesia.
Ojaye.
Number 2. Abanya waba wadi afia yentu petrol na mom tia na yete so.
Ojaye.
I was surprised. Say Thursday and Friday no. Now mo ye petroleum product cushion dear ben brofu kakraka bi nkwa blafi. Say mo try ahwese so mo teso mo wa. Saban ni betimi enye sika still aya o man ni ho adwuma enti Thursday wo mo ti petrol so
Never be petrol so
Friday wo mo san ti petrol so
never be petrol so
ba o man kan tire yen eti o man mu no wo ni wo filling stations ni na ka kire o say teso this percentage teso say ni ehwa de o mo teso Thursday o sa teso Friday yen twam yen
never be petrol so
yen eti o man ha ya kan tire ba wo kwato petrol ni diesel no na ko from ba wa hu minim sebeto aso a
never be petrol so
Say, Efi, yes, Fourth Republic, yes, 7 January 1993, basically. A baby and yes, as is waba. Wait me reducing dollar by 20%. Dollar one day by 20%. One maintain it 1 year. A big sweet that. I just don't Dramani Mahama. My father born some abonnier. Born some abonnier. Enra. And I'm a fair madam for be a black market. Or Lima. We feel that to fear or corn baby or sister scare one.
Never be petrol so
Me per dollar ya there. I say, na $1 nu wallahi wasa. I'm so wallahi mi dollar nu wasa. I say, Captain. Say the dollar nu there wasa yo who be a famra o no magic series. Who the dollar nu wallahi who the dollar nu 2 vie. Wallahi dollar nu bedinu. Dollar nu fasu bia ni su say biti was say be nu kata nu there. Yeah, see, yeah, I call her bank rate. No one lie, if I know one yet, Juma. See, I mean, can say bank rate, no, 10.2. One lie, capital. Somebody 10.2, no, by Juma, one lie, with dollar, no, but dinu. And true. Obi ami o Jimmy Diaz $1 no. Eya you go to me mama kakra soso no. Me ko ya o ka kire me say captain. One lie $1 no die. Yes, I met with the mouth, black market, dear will lie. Memo 10.5. We could check fidelity at 9.9. Bank of Ghana at 9.6. Ghana for a buy number in the Fourth Republic. Makato say any kufu sin chain. I'll come and tell you why.
Told I.
Said $1 no. Na otchere. Na o pray city no. Wait me a chinejina hosa. Listen me. I just mama. Jay Akufo time there. Yes, sir, sikano. Yeah, read the nomination. The value is the same. It's that time they say 10,000 and 1 cedi. All right? Kufori no, and a banks who say in Faswaba town. Say banks no that time Kufota who says so 1 man for be some win Faswa. Well, $1 and cedi no. Abba in the Fourth Republic. If you roll this time, Bessie Mahama time on there, where do you fit? Now we need a scandal. Because scandal. Hey, somebody see a buy anymore. I'm a buying a teso. Time, Sammy Gyamfi, Eddie Sika, Mitway, Micheska. Sammy Gyamfi chair. Agrada mwa. Agrada eska. Na minority ni nyase mianka 88.
Wait.
Eti na wo pe bibi aka. Ye kofa Sammy Gyamfi a wacha agrada eska. Ba bisa ho. Sa wo sofo atoka ama ne girlfriend.
Bibini. Oh. Bibini ni pao.
Hwe MP no wo elu mu ho. Hwe nema wo ye ho. Omo so mo ana krofo mo se no asem we there. Ojai. We there. Ojai. Me abotubu. Asa ya ti hey! Go board aboka. Me see me busa kwesa. Me see IMF no World Bank. Omo ye nipa bone. Ask yourself why Kwame Nkrumah no pay IMF no World Bank kwasa. Ade bia World Bank ni IMF be hu say African country or maybe we bibi mem or board ho modern no wo pekwan bi asay nipa oda no ne yepra no sa na omo de ye ewu adako. Oh, I don't know. I'm telling you today, Mahama first time na ewu adako nipa no dem fia. Ojai. Upa jidi upa jai. It was a wadako. E wadako hu say no a fewer prices na say Mahama buy no. And Mahama appointed a wadako ekoto bust. Oh yeah no dey tall e kan ho. Ojai. And a wadako stabilize fewer prices e wo kuma. Ojai. E wadako say no me pene. En kwasoro. Enje baby ejina na. Yes fuel ebi ni o ma enim ebi beba na ebi bai. IMF ne World Bank who say e wadako ye niema ye say jai e wadako e ma ne ye de oye na e be ma ye IMF ne World Bank ye ne magu ase e na won ankasa sha ase so won ase at that time so still I know mo use NPP ojai 2016 then yan fan ye Mahama wo ko me ne ka ho adelai adelai Sano, eti nanado be di president no. Mumisa nanado. Mumisa Ken Ofori Atta, Gabby Ochendako, Asante Bediatuo, Captain Koda, Bomti, me wo for your national security minister person. Kandapa, mumisa wina. They wanted a wadako. Say wadako nka ho. No nya adwuma o bust. Nyensa mfa to nhye nensa. E wadako se menye. It's one say so mo tata wadako. To a point say ade wadako nim ho hwe. Omo de told so. No omo penache no. Because a wadako say ade omo pese oye no onye. Ndanado no tia so wumi. Mo am won number mo frɛ no ofa no mo sa mo frɛ 0277 no. Oh I don't know. Eti IMF no World Bank who say Sammy Gyamfi de oil no. Se Ghana na Ghana timinya gold ni bebre ya. Ghana economy na no be dey. Say we dey Mahama here. Say we are say dollar dey so wo so ni ti pepepa. Now am Bank of Ghana. Any finance ministry, any gold board, a show the amount of gold that you want. Once a dollar na samba for. Adam Mahama here no. So the opposite dollar nkosoro. Okay, no problem. But gold the dey Ghana ho ban. Eti ye gold quantity e wonie. Ye sika gold board ama ye nya enso ye through Sammy Gyamfi enie. Eti society said the NPP administration started gold for oil. You got to go back to the gold for oil and then Mama say gold for oil be ani ho. Me pem gold board na.
Petrol so
time I say the gold for oil eba na petrol ni diesel bo akofam yet krom ha diesel bo akofam petrol confirm eba say the gold board plenty ama petrol kwa na ekofam diesel kwa na ekofam
ne ba be petrol so
e wadako God bless you for this idea
also ana petrol go ana ekofam
God bless you. Eti World Bank throw Sammy Gyamfi, IMF is throw Sammy Gyamfi. me se Mahama ntina mba adwuma nne me kan no bia ye mahye no
Ojaye.
eti sese no wa say the oman ni siko the twani sumu kura ye me da kura ne baba Jamal issue no
I don't know.
hwe NDC for munjai jibi no na mo support John Mahama we the NDC ni jai jibi no wa say the politics that wo krom ha no sa na da wo NDC for I am telling you today we have a different leader
Today.
NDC for Muntebi, we have a different leader. You were Kennedy for different. It's in Yamana or Yano. One shall would say, Channel NDC near. Ubedrin the assessor would dinkwa. A bit free, sir. And Yamana air cosono. So one Tanasi and Yan Safo, our party the moi, a bachelor. MPs in the fan Yansa. This is in the far to a good by a bit too in also. Would a train race for neighbor? Would a train had a disease? What about Kodos say? This is what about Kodos say?
Yeah, from a mofa.
Yeah, Monte, serious no. You bet two way to her. Near catch us a wolf far. That's I say, you bet throw 3 months near Frew, and I say, Kaufi.
My NPP Biara.
Ministers no, my dear. What they are trying? What they are trying? We shall do the. Oh, Mama, we are cockroaches and the seat that I am sitting on. This is what where Mahama sat. Now, if you say I no control the movie, when you go to go home. And I ready. What am I trying? There's a new leader. You see, there's a new breeze and a new season of leadership. I told you from 2024, I am not asking for change of leaders. I am asking for a change in leadership. It's the same Mahama who came in 2016. Who was there in 2016? It's the same Mahama. Eti sawiya wadwi so wanyini. Eti won sesa wadwi na wajimi. It's the same Mahama. But I say, Ukwa Mahama how asa me no menyaka. Ukwa pa asa me yo Ghana from Penukre. Afenyo Markins, and we meet to be called so a cantonment, me copy so.
My MPP Biara.
Also, Mesum Fidiem Watu.
MPP.
Me, Afenyo, you know I like you. Me know me every day. Cheme. Apote. Minimum simpa. Minimum winiba. Also, Mesum Fidie. Now, what him the entire who constituency. Kennedy Agyapong winning.
Bibini and Nipo.
Her mafia now we am a Ken Lusu election. One can say a hunting one. No problem. Kennedy Agyapong say on Kasa. Ken and Kasa. Bawumia Campaign na ye. Wunya ben Kasa. Jawon. Ken wun so.
The shit.
Wun.
Abokagu.
Ba Afenyo, so be fidie 3.
Abokagu.
Ba me de me pacho NPP die poisoning. You careful, Afenyo. Awumekun me catch wo.
The shit.
Afenyo. Some case on be minority leader na for ma de ma wo.
Abokagu.
Me kura me so da en na waka se wo mpabium.
The shit.
Me so da na waka say minority leader no kura umpabium eyalo krokro na John
The shit.
Afenyo o say ba me woni in 2 days uko meeting bi na me gina ho na me tie mu nkomo ni na wo share long sleeves blue fefe bi Afenyo and ada uko ba bi na MPP for door so na ma nsu mennom Yamo aduane mendi bra mendi o men no uko to no bi wi ni chinchinga twam uko no bi didi ehuo twam titru a confirm men ko hokra wo ye dwane right like ye be kun me ka kira wo me na me ka o mama ma ne ntwen na yansa
The driver cry money to amonye. So much.
Wo driver kura wo so man ko to aduane bro wo.
Mani ni bi.
Papa bi ane yesi on pemasem. O kama wo ni fie. Me ko ni fie no o di bi na se be di bi am se we ko ade. Ne kama ni friend Jude. Friend Jude bra. Friend Jude ni. Otika you don't trust me, so I don't trust you. Afenyo. Meeting him ko PS wo cantonment.
Captain Smart.
Baby, how far now wo ko Asante Bediatuo. Send hero, send girl, me I don't know. The entire make us say, yeah, oba no ho de na me ni ho. Nti na yere
NPP
restaurant
biara.
Ho baby. Ho baby. Nti you careful. Me and I dream and nantem.
Ahobrase.
You careful. Afenyo, you careful.
Tetinapa ne mumbio.
Eti sanka Afenyo. Oh, akwa bom dada. Your Excellency, when I wake up at 4 a.m., I try something. Listen, this is what I wrote. When fama ona kaya na ma men kai mani.
Kan wa de me ko do bru team leader fo bia.
Team leader asem bia ho. No more.
Wait.
Hey. SSA. I think they say Ghana Journalists Association. Yeah, na come up with a trust citation, my mama. If not for anything, 1 whole year, no disaster, no scandal, no nothing. I said Ghana Journalists Association. Papa never said Jumfo. I said what trust citation, my mama.
Oh, I don't know.
This is what I wrote. In times when nations seek not just governance but purposeful leadership, Ghana continues to be blessed with the presence of a man whose dedication, empathy, and foresight are as deep as the Volta and as steady as the Black Star, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Today, I extend my deepest congratulations to you, not merely as a political figure, but as a statesman, a visionary, and most importantly, a servant leader whose unwavering commitment to Ghana's progress has carved your name boldly into the hearts of our democratic journey. From infrastructure to industry that you promised and you have started doing, from education to energy, John, you have always seen governance as a tool for building, not just physical roads and bridges, but bridges of unity, hope, and opportunity. Your legacy in infrastructure is visible across the country from 2016. Schools, hospitals, interchanges, and rural electrification projects that have transformed everyday life for millions of Ghanaians. Yet, your vision is not just concrete and steel. It is rooted in compassion, the way you saved that innocent lady far there in Zambia. Your social policies reflect a deep understanding of the people's need, ensuring that the soul of Ghana remains as cared for as its soil. You carry yourself not just as a Ghanaian leader, but as a global voice for Africa. Your speech at the United Nations symbolizes hope for the continent. Your speeches echoes wisdom, diplomacy, and dignity, reminding the world that Africa is not begging for charity, but calling for justice. You stood firm in international forums, speaking truth to power and representing Ghana with poise and unmatched eloquence, a true son of the land whose words carry the weight of a continent and the warmth of its people. In an era where division easily takes root, John Dramani Mahama, you have consistently called for unity, tolerance, and respect. You lead not with vengeance, as your predecessor did, but with vision. Not with force, but with faith in dialogue. It is this rare ability to rise above partnership and partisanship and center the people's welfare that makes your leadership extraordinary. In this country, you're all aware, your humility, even in the face of political storms, is not weakness. It is strength refined by experience and leadership guided by grace. As Ghana stands on the stage of transformation, I personally believe you, Mahama, remains a torchbearer for hope. A man who understands that good governance is not just about leading for today, but preparing the nation for tomorrow. Build a foundation for us. He reminds us that leadership is not a title, it is a responsibility. And you wear it not as a crown of glory, but as a yoke of service. So, Mama, this morning, me, Captain Smart, I say, are you cool? You continue to make Ghana proud, not only with what you build, but with what you stand for. Truth, peace, vision, unity, and progress. May your path be guided by wisdom always. Your days be courage. And your legacy by the love of the people whose lives you touch every day. Ghana is getting better because of you. And it reminds me of Professor Mills's Better Ghana agenda. And history will remember you, not only as a leader, not only as a president, but as one who loved his nation deeply and served it nobly. I am going to start a hashtag for you. Hashtag Mahama Legacy.
I don't know.
Hashtag Mahama Legacy. Hashtag Ghana Rising. Hashtag Leadership with Heart. Your Excellency, I thank you for showing us a fresh breeze of leadership. Thank you for not being like those. Thank you for standing with a Ghanaian woman. Thank you for standing with a Ghanaian man. Thank you for standing with a Ghanaian youth. Thank you for at least promoting and showing to the world that the African indeed is capable of managing his own affairs. The foundations of the IMF is shaky, and that of the World Bank, they cannot find any hole to put in anything. The reason is that your administration, for the very first time in the political history of this country, you've not gone to them to beg for anything. Thank you, Your Excellency. People, on behalf of the people of the Central Region, I say thank you. On behalf of the people of the Western Region, I say thank you. On behalf of the people of the Greater Accra, I say thank you. On behalf of those in the Volta Region, I say thank you. Those in the Eastern Region, I say thank you. Those in the Bronga-Hafu Region, I say thank you. Those in Ashanti Region, I say thank you. Those in Northern Region, I say thank you. Those in Upper West Region, I say thank you. And on behalf of those in the Upper East Region, I say thank you. Don't miss your path. Continue like this. And I will always be there to support you. You are the leader we need this time. And you have proven to us that you can, and you have actually demonstrated that you will. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.